Nip it in the butt. So once you've made a trade on your computer, no matter how the trade goes, switch your computer off. If you're emotionally charged and you're feeling good after you've just made a trade work, turn your computer off, because chances are you're going to re-enter the market feeling overconfident and possibly risking a little bit too much money the next time, feeling that you can't do any wrong and you could end up losing money. So I know myself, when I first started trading, this was the biggest cause of me losing money. Is I'd go in, I'd make a fantastic trade. Once it's closed out, 30 minutes later, I found this other trade. Who knows how I found it? I'll end up giving that money back to the market. So this is really important, especially for a developing trader. And also, again, for the flip side, if you find yourself sort of getting angry or emotionally charged at the fact that you have just lost some money, the chances of taking your revenge trade on the market and trying to get that money back, possibly even risking double what you were before, because then you've only got to win the one trade to get double the profit, or earn that back and the potential profit that you would have got on the last trade. So all these things aren't good. So once you've made a trade, win or lose, switch your computer off. And the third one, which is a fantastic thing to do, is obviously to be aware of your emotions. So when you are making a trade, before you enter a trade, just pause for a minute and observe your mental state, your emotional state. Are you clouded by some other feeling, even if it's not related to trading? It could be something else happening in your life. So make sure you are in a good frame of mind to objectively observe the market and find your setup or your edge in the market. And a great way to develop your awareness and your emotional state when trading is to keep a diary. So when keeping a diary, you need to find where your emotions are coming from, whether they're fear-based or joy-based. Obviously, these will vary on what's happened in your previous trade or trades. So it's a real good idea to find out where these emotions are coming from. And another thing with your diary, don't just keep a track of emotions as they happen once you've taken your trade. So you've taken a trade, you've had a win or you've had a loss, you've switched your computer off. Come back to your diary 4 hours later, 5 hours later, and write down how you're feeling. Have you forgotten about it and you're ready to move on the next day, or is it still eating at you? If it is, maybe don't trade the next day. So again, keep in mind your emotional state and keep a diary. And a final note, fear and other emotions are not real. They are a product of your thoughts that you create. So danger in the market environment is very real, but your emotions, such as fear and greed, are not. They are choices. Remember, nobody knows what is going to happen next in the Forex market. We speculate on probability in relation to previously observed price patterns. So you are trading a system or a strategy that does not work 100% of the time, so there will be losers. If you practice proper risk management and follow your plan, there is no reason why emotion should sway or creep into your decision making, as you already have a plan that you are following for every scenario that may happen. So stick to your plan. You'll find you'll have less issues with emotional states as your trading develops. Okay, I'm Ben McInerney, and that was another presentation for spotonforex.com. If you'd like any more information, you can head to www.spotonforex.com. There's a free resources section. I also have a course in trading Forex, which includes goes from the very basics of understanding the Forex environment and what moves price, all the way into trading strategies, entry and exits. There's a whole host of things. So yeah, please go and check it out. Or there's also a YouTube channel. So just search for Spot on Forex in the YouTube channel section.